Ren, bale ang sinasabi mo sa amin tatlo dito is that si Joseph Yeo is the best player of Petron.
Sino pa bang iba?
Meron
pa bang iba?
Ganyan talaga. Ganyan. No, but we're bringing up Joseph because, was off to a slow start, but against BMed, played really well. He was a starter. And yun yung laro niya na napansin natin noong Philippine Cup.
Yeah.
Diba? That's the Joseph Yeo that we saw.
Especially yung nung Philippine Cup, the first game out of the 7 games that Lutz missed, sa Cebu, yung larong yun, Joseph Yeo was inserted in the starting unit. 27 big points, kanya pa yung marginal basket pagdating ng dulo kontra Alaska yun, if I'm not mistaken. Si Joseph talaga, pag binigyan mong minuto, he makes the most of it all the time.
Oo, syempre, kailangan naman si Joseph talagang, pag binigyan mo siya ng confidence, pag binigyan mo siya ng minutes, alam niya talagang kaya niya eh. So, hindi magiging siya, parang he won't shy away from the yung mga pressures and ganun. So he's gonna step up his game.
So ibig sabihin matigas yung mukha niya.
Yung pa nga.
Charles, give us a scouting report on Joseph. When you are playing Petron and you think about Joseph Yeo, what do you have to watch out for?
Well, definitely you have to watch out for his drives because he's such a good slasher. His body's so strong, he can create, go left, right, and he jumps high, he's athletic, I've actually watched him since he was young in Xavier because he used to be my brother's teammate all the way up to Lasal, gaya nga nasabi niyo, walang takot talaga yan. He's gonna go to the ring, he doesn't care if there's a 7-footer there. I think he's had some highlights on Japet Aguilar before, if I recall right, And he can shoot the ball also pretty well, maybe not as consistent as Renren, but if he's hot, he's gonna make it. And, ang galing pa dun ni Benza. So, he's a player we definitely have to watch out for all the time.
Okay, so those are strengths. Pero, siyempre, lahat naman ng player may weaknesses. Ano naman yung mga bagay that, Joseph, medyo kailangan niyang improve, no? To be a really complete player.
To be a complete player? Siguro, ang weakness lang naman niya, yung wife niya eh. Yun naman nakikita ko dun eh.
Mahirap yan. Wala tayong lunas dyan.
Alam ko lunas dyan. Ito nakagawa ng lunas dyan.
Ano lunas dyan?
Patatungo sa balikat. Patatungo sa balikat.
Oo, kaya pag free throw ka, haligan mo.
Ay, mahirapan. Sa likod eh.
Mahirap. Sige, tanong natin kay Coach Charles. What could be the weakness, no? The weak point of Joseph's game?
For me, he's pretty much a complete player. Okay. Maybe minsan free throw shooting, yeah.
Maybe.
He's had some really off shooting days, and probably just the consistent shot. But I mean, no disrespect to him because he can really shoot also, But maybe if it were more consistent, iba talaga. But he's a great player. I think he's won some championships with Santa Lucia, and impact player talaga naman siya.
I think it's great for the fans to see Joseph, playing major minutes and contributing because he's one of the most exciting players in the PBA. And yung style kasi ni Joseph, parang daredevil ba na sasaksak, loves the running game.
Reminds you of Samboy Lim.
Samboy Lim.
Reminds you of Samboy Lim from back in the day.
Parang showtime. Siyempre, hindi showtime na nag-alley-oop, na-dunk, na hindi gano'n. But, although, can he dunk? Have you seen him?
Yeah, he can dunk.
Yun nga maganda, I think, kay Joseph Yeo, mas napapersonify niya yung average Filipino basketball player. Dahil may hang time na may mga bit-bit na hindi niya dinadakdak. He hasn't really dunked it on TV in the PBA. Pero yun nga, hindi naman lahat talaga ng Pilipino. 10%, 5% lang nakakadunk. So yun nga, nakikita ng Pilipino, yung kaya ko yun yung magaling gayahin.
5% talaga kami. Kaya hindi yung career ko eh. Kasi walang makarelate sa akin eh, nung naglalaro ako.
Kasi Harold Miner.
walang makarelate eh. So, yung career ko never na gano'n. Anyway, so anong message mo para kay Joseph? Kasi parang ikaw yung best friend niya eh. Talagang kung i-promote mo si Joseph eh, kulang na lang ikaw yung agent eh.
Hindi. Siyempre, kaibigan natin si Joseph. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanya, parang consistency lang.
Pero, ito, kasabi mo. Ito. Kasabi mo si Joseph.
Hindi, syempre.
Sabi mo, Joseph.
Hindi.
Joseph.
Kunyari,
nakikinig siya ngayon. Sige, kasabi mo, Joseph.
Okay, Joseph. Alam ko naman ang dahilan kung ba't hindi ka consistent minsan. Pero, yun lang, pre. syempre, pag nakukuha mo yung minutes mo, alam ko naman, you leave it all in the floor. So,
Tapusin mo, touching eh.
Be consistent. Yan lang yung namin kay Joseph. Kami ni Macmac, nag-uusap ko din sinasabi namin sa kanya.
Laking bagay ng dream game na sinasabi mong non-bearing. No?
Oo.
Lahat nila sa lista, gaganda ng laro ngayon.
Agree naman ako dun. Na non-bearing siya. Good job, Ninja. Keep it up.